Welcome to this Xtralis instructional video on the VESDA Sensepoint XCL for large bore aspirated detection systems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the filter on this unit as well as the sensor cartridge. To do this, you can see I've got my phone with my app, my detector with all my pipes removed and ready to work on. I've removed these 4 screws here so that I can remove the flow cap. Take the flow cap out like this, and I can see underneath I've got the sensor cover. To remove the sensor cover, I need to remove this 1 screw here at the top, which I do as such, and the cover simply pops off. As part of the cover, the filter paper you can see exists here and comes with the cover. Once I remove this, I've got access to the actual sensor cartridge, which is in the middle. And to replace this, I need to go to the maintenance menu. So I'll activate the maintenance menu and choose the 3rd option down, which is change sensor. Once I've selected this, it asks me that it's going to be put in inhibited mode, and I acknowledge that by pushing OK. So here an instruction comes through and asks me to remove the sensor in the middle here simply by pulling out here. So the old sensor comes out and I push next. Next, it's asking me to insert the new sensor back into the detector. So it's got 3 locating prongs, and I simply put this sensor back in, like that. Once it's pushed firmly in place, I push next on the app. Now the app takes 60 seconds to initialize the sensor, and during this time, I can put the cover back with the new filter paper which comes with the cover. Simply locate it in. Just make sure that it's lined up properly by the locating tab on the bottom, that's better. Tighten that screw. Refit the flow cap. Such, and we've got another 15 seconds to go before the sensor's initialized. In this time I would refit the pipework and get ready for the recalibration procedure. It's been successfully initialized, so I push OK to acknowledge, and then I hit the calibrate button here, and we recalibrate the detector in the normal way.